to deploy agent, we go to agent summary and under deploy agent. After clicking deploy agent, it won't take much time. Okay, now the page has loaded. Now we have we can select the package to download and install on our system. Now I'm going to install a Linux 20 Linux Ubuntu 2004. And I'm going to choose Debian. Okay, after choosing Debian, we are also going to choose the server address. This is the server that we use to install the server, the Wazuh manager. Now that I'm going to install several agents, I'm going to remember this server address. We also have optional settings of where I'm going to input the name. Now that I'm going to also to add Windows, let me just name it Linux. So we are going to run the following commands to download and install the agent. So we are going to copy these commands and run them on our Ubuntu 2004 VM. So just going to copy these commands and run them in our VM so that we have to connect the Wazuh agent and the Wazuh manager. Okay, now here is our VM. We're going to open the terminal and run these commands. Okay, to install, to download and install the agent on the VM. It requires administrative privileges. Let's input our password. Setting up our agent. Okay, now it's done. Now our Wazuh is installed. Now we need to reload the daemon and restart the Wazuh agent on our VM. So we are going just to copy the commands from the official installation guide to reload the daemon and enable Wazuh agent on our VM. Let us just copy the commands and paste them on the VM terminal. So the command syntax is sudo systemctl reload daemon and sudo systemctl restart Wazuh agent and start Wazuh agent. Okay, now as we can see, the Wazuh agent is already installed and enabled. Now we can log in. We can refresh the page and see if really our agent is already installed. Now we can see we have one active agent and 0 are disconnected. Now we can just confirm this by going to agents management and then clicking summary. Now we can see the total endpoints that we have. We have installed an Ubuntu 2004 to just log to our SIEM. Okay, now we on this now we can perform several security operations and endpoint security tasks like configuration assessment and malware detection for integrity monitoring on this our Ubuntu VM. We can also do threat hunting, vulnerability detection, MITRE ATT&CK framework checks on this VM. So on the next video, we are going to perform configuration assessment on our installed agent on Ubuntu 2004 VM. Let's meet on the next video.